Are you struggling to implement a filter in your search view while using FirebaseRecyclerAdapter? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and help you get your search functionality working smoothly. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your code doesn't work as expected, especially when you're trying to search by username in your Firebase database. It's a common hurdle for many developers. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I search in Firebase database by character using FirebaseRecyclerAdapter? They want to filter results based on usernames. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. To understand the issue, let's look at the code provided. The user is trying to set up a query that filters usernames based on the input from the search view. However, there might be a few tweaks needed to make it work effectively. Stay with me, because at the end of this video, I will share a crucial tip that will enhance your search functionality even further. To implement the filter in the search view, the user should first ensure that the Firebase query is correctly set up to listen for changes in the search text. This involves using the onQueryTextChange method effectively. Next, the user should modify the Firebase query to ensure it captures all relevant usernames. The StartAt method should be used with the new text input, and the EndAt method should be set to a character that comes after the last character of the username. After setting up the query, the user needs to ensure that the Firebase Recycler adapter is properly initialized with the updated query. This will allow the adapter to display the filtered results in the RecyclerView. Finally, the user should set the adapter to the RecyclerView to display the filtered results. This step is crucial for ensuring that the UI updates with the search results. Fun fact: did you know that Firebase was originally developed by a startup that aimed to simplify real-time data synchronization? Now, it's a go-to solution for many developers. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests a simple adjustment to your code. They recommend changing the query line to ensure it matches from the start of the username. Specifically, update your query to use StartAt with new text and EndAt with new text, plus a special character. Additionally, they encourage you to explore Firebase's documentation on StartAt, EndAt, and other query methods to enhance your search capabilities without needing external resources. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your queries in the Firebase console first. This helps you ensure that your data structure and queries are set up correctly before implementing them in your app. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your search view should now filter usernames effectively. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Firebase and Android development.